Hello everyone. Welcome back to my chatty sassy corner here on YouTube. If you're into chatty sassy videos about luxury fashion, luxury travel, life's luxuries in general, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below because that really does help my channel. Make sure if you enjoy this video to like it, and feel free to leave a comment down below of anything that you would like to see content-wise this year. Today, we are doing my very first YSL unboxing, and it is a double unboxing. One of these things was actually a Christmas gift from my parents that we switched up, and then the other thing is something that I have been talking about getting for a little while, and so I'm super excited to check that off. And with that, let's get into the unboxing. And like, this shopping bag is massive. It was a bit of a bear carrying it around. So let's start with the smaller one first. And so I really do appreciate the fact that like YSL's packaging is it's really sleek, it's really simple, but it's very much their brand. And I personally enjoy the simplicity of it. It's not, like, obviously it's not like beautiful like Dior, but it's very YSL. And then it comes in a dust bag, and I got the zipped card holder in the maroon with the pebbled leather. So this has the 5 card slots on the back, and then of course just the zip compartment for cash, coins, receipts. So I wanted this specific one because I had gotten the Tory Burch one just to make sure that I would like the style, and ultimately, like, I really enjoyed the style, but pulling the Tory Burch one out of my bags I just didn't really enjoy because it had so many different colors and things going on. So I'm super excited to have this absolutely stunning YSL one, and so really glad to be adding this. I'm really grateful to have gotten this for Christmas. And we also got, that's upside down, and we also got my very first YSL bag. And so, and this was sort of unique. We're gonna pretend that just didn't happen. So I got the YSL camera bag in black leather with the silver hardware, but the thing that is unique about this is that it has a back pocket. So typically the YSL camera bags don't come with a back pocket. This is brand new. They have just started doing this, and the back pocket, the inside, I don't know if this will show up or not, is fabric, as opposed to being like a leather that will scratch, but the rest of the bag is all in leather. And then I am so excited to get this. They have just started doing the back pocket, and that is going to be the standard from now on. There is no additional upcharge for the price now that they've done the back pocket, but I think that this was just such a great usable change to this bag. And like, it's just this tiny little touch that I feel like makes it so much more usable. And when my sales associate Sam was like, okay, so like, I have the camera bag, but there's a new one. He's like, and I'm going to check to see if they have it in the color that you're wanting, because he's like, it just came in. And sure enough, there was a black with silver hardware. So stoked to have this. Let me get all this packaging off. So now that the packaging is taken off, this is the black leather with silver hardware bag. And it does have an adjustable strap right here. So not like hugely adjustable, but a little bit. The tassel right here does come off if I want it to. I really think that's very cute with the bag, but I just love the fact that there is this back pocket that I can slip a phone down into, and that just makes this bag way more usable to me, because then I can keep everything really securely in the bag, except for my phone that I'm going to be constantly reaching for, because let's be honest, girls' pants don't have good pockets. But this makes it super easy. But like, obviously if I want to slip my phone in it, I can. And with that, I think I should probably do a little bit of a what fits in this bag to go along with this. So I have loaded this up, and I'm going to pull out what all I have this bag fully stuffed with, and then I will show you a different arrangement, putting it back in and showing you how it fits. But first thing that I'm going to pull out, lipstick and a compact. By the way, this is clearly not bulging at all, so while it's full, it is safely full. So we've got lipstick, compact, sunglasses not in a case, YSL zipped card holder, car keys, my Bastia, AirPods, my Dior notebook. This is the smaller version, and like it's a pretty thin notebook, but you can fit a notebook. And I believe that's all I put inside. And then my phone in the back pocket, fully sits, fully concealed in the back pocket. Now, what about if you want to bring a regular wallet? And what about if you want to have your sunglasses in a case? So still phone going in the back pocket. And just to show you how it fits, like it is definitely, you don't really see it, but it is right there. Then we've got my wallet, which is the Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton. My sunglasses. Next, let's do car keys, because we gotta have those. Then I personally always like to have my Bastia with me because I have things like Band-Aids, safety pins, bobby pins, hair ties. Let's put that in there. And then let's do AirPods. And compact really doesn't fit with that arrangement, but lipstick definitely fits in. Compact does actually fit in, so I can actually fit when I take out the notebook, because that did restrict me on space, I am able to fit a full, well, I won't say full, I am able to fit a small size wallet in here. I'm also able to fit the sunglasses in a hard case. And so like this thing does hold a lot. Now, what I will say is that because this is a soft leather, you can see on the bottom on how it is sticking out just a little bit where things weighed on it. So that's why a lot of people like to put organizers in softer leather bags. Personally, I probably won't have all of this stuff in there on a regular basis, so I don't think I'll be using an organizer for this. But if you really want your bag to keep your shape and not bend at all on the bottom. And so that's something that you will probably want to look into with this bag. I think that this is a really beautiful, beautiful bag. This is in the smooth leather as opposed to their pebbled leather. So smooth leather, pebbled leather. Obviously the pebbled leather, the grain on this is going to be more durable than the smooth. The smooth will show scratches more easily, but at the same time, it's real leather. And so with real leather, like, obviously, like, I don't just like fling my things all over the place. But with real leather, like, if it does get a scratch, you can probably buff it out with time, do some nice leather conditioner with it, and you'll be good to go. This is just going to be a little bit more hardy because it does have this stamped grain to it. So with that, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. I am very excited to get to use these YSL products. I'd previously not been a fan of YSL because I had just seen such poor quality products sitting in the Hawaii Luxury Row store, sitting in Nordstrom, but honestly, like the fact that my sales associate was at YSL and that he was so passionate about the quality made me relook at these items, and like these definitely do feel like really great quality items. It's just they haven't been beat to death by people who just don't care. And so very excited about these, and I'm not gonna lie, like there's another piece that's been added on my YSL wish list. We went in today and I tried it on and like, oh my gosh, I fell in love. And then after we left the store, I looked up the price and saw on how expensive that it was, and I was like, long-term wish list item, because it's a very classic piece, and I'll have a picture of it up there. But with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, YouTube. Also, before I go, if this video is going up on Monday the 9th, that means that you just have a few more hours to enter my giveaway. It is over on the What I Got for Christmas 2022 video that I posted 2 weeks ago, and it does close at 9 p.m. Central Time United States. So you've got to go to that video, be subscribed, leave a comment to enter for the $50 Amazon gift card. Bye!